the channel. I got more stuff here from AliExpress. This is for my camera. This is my micro HDMI cable and the adapters. Ooh, how long is this cable? Okay, it's very small. Okay, I'm glad I got a long HDMI cable. So this will plug into my camera. Okay, it's a lot smaller than I was anticipating. And this is a pack of 4 adapters. These are very handy for connecting HDMI cables together to extend them and stuff like that. So I'll be throwing one of these on here, and then to my HDMI cable, and hopefully to my PC, which is not working right now. Nothing but frustration there. I did put a community post earlier today, and yeah. Alright, well, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and have a good one.